Hi loves, in this love reading, we will going to ask kung may pag-asa ba siya or mayroon bang kung maa-accept ba siya ng family mo. Okay, so again, the focus of this love reading is kung maa-accept ba siya ng family mo. Okay, so let's see the situation for this love reading. Okay, so dito, maaaring makapalipot ka talaga sa mga taong overprotected. Kung ito ay sabihin natin na de-delay ang inyong relationship, ay maaaring you are being protected right now. So, in this connection, again, maaaring you are being protected right now. In the near future, kung ano yung tanong mo, kung maa-accept, future days, weeks, so malalaman mo pa. But as of now, you are being protected. You are also urging or need to move. In this connection, maaaring may paglipat na magaganap, pwedeng ikaw or your person. At maaaring yun ay part lang din ng iyong protection. So, I also hear the separation here. Pwede may loves na meron nga, pinaglalayo kayo, or pwede namang dahil na rin sa place. And, okay, ayan. So, dito, my loves, I hear na meron talaga ditong separation na mangyayari because of the silence or the non-action na card natin. Okay? So, my loves, let's see more confirmation about this protection. Kasi dito, sa nakikita ko, you are being protected. That's why meron ditong separation. Okay, meron ditong separation. Let's see confirmation about this connection. Protected. Ayan. So, during this protection, maaaring ito ay makatulong sa'yo or makatulong sa yung healing, makatulong sa yung growth. Kasi dito, my loves, yung protection na tinutukoy dito is not bad kasi ang tinan mo, look at the butterfly symbolizes changes, so maaaring this protection helps you to release the past and to heal. So I also hear dito din meron ditong fear of abandonment. Meron nga talagang aalis, may dilipat, and maaaring isa sa inyo are being chased because of the codependency issue. Okay, kung ikaw man yun, my loves, maaaring iyon ang dahilan or maaaring may avoidant sa'yo or yung person mo. So, dito, my loves, you have to mirror each other. Kung hindi makikipag-communicate yung person mo na to sa'yo, is ganun din ang gawin mo. Kasi kung ano yung nararamdaman niya right now, yun din yung possible or posibleng wounds mo right now. So, mirroring each other with this mirror card. So, ano pa ang meron dito sa love connection nitong dalawa? Oo nga. Meron nga talagang separation. So, maaaring dito ay nandoon yung pagka-miss ng isa sa inyo, missing you. Nandito ang card natin. And they are wanting, urging to make new memories with you. With the sword and rose. Maaari din, my loves, na meron kang you are forced to stop by being the chaser in this relationship. My loves, protection pa rin. So, I hear na meron talagang nagpo-protekta sa'yo. Maaaring, bakit ba, titignan natin kung bakit ka ba pinoprotektahan. Oh, lumataw dito yung soulmates, my loves. So, dalawang confirmation na with the mirror card and soulmates. Itong person na to is hindi lang basta-basta yung connection ninyo, pero para kasi yung love story nyo parang Romeo and Juliet. Kasi dito, my loves, merong meron talagang overprotected, may protection dito. Even the universe are protecting you from this person. Maaaring hindi pa talaga kayo pantay ng energy na ine-emit. Maaari may loves na kailangan mo munang ipagalingin itong, kung ikaw ay merong fear of abandonment, maaaring iyon ay kailangan mo munang i-develop or maaaring i-heal in this connection. So, let's see message from this person kung ano ba yung nararamdaman ng person mo na to dito sa situation na to. Think before you act. My loves, gusto niya pag-isipan mo talaga ang mga bagay-bagay. I think so, yes. Kung ikaw, my loves, talaga yung may pagka-chaser dito, it's a yes ang sagot niya. I will do anything for you. Think before you act. I think so, yes. And I will do anything for you. So, ito ay maaari talagang, pwede din may loves dito, dalawang energy. Because you are meant to find someone na soulmate mo. Na kayang-kayang gawin or ipaglalaban ka. Pero dito may loves, kung nakikita mo to sa person mo na kaya ka ipaglaban, pwedeng siya talaga yung soulmate mo. And being a chaser, my loves, I hear na kailangan nyo talaga ng space. Kasi kailangan mo muna mag-evolve and kailangan mo muna ng growth. Okay? And maaari na tama ka because of this, yes. Kung ano yung tanong mo sa kanya, maaaring kayong dalawa ang nakakaintindi nitong sagot niya dito. Okay. So, let's see more answer from them. Let's see more answers from this person. Oh. So, pwedeng ito ay galing kay spirits na mismo or galing muna sa kanyang higher self. There's something better. That's why you are being protected right now at ang connection na to ay maaaring sa future pa, pang future pa. Kasi kailangan nyo nga muna talagang mag-evolve, my love. So, kailangan nyo munang mag-heal and mag-release sa past. Kailangan nyo munang ng growth, my loves, dito. You have to face your next, sabihin natin, level bago ka mag-stick dito sa connection na to, my loves. Kasi ito, there's something better. Right now, maaaring hindi mo pa deserve itong person na to. Ask help from others. Kung nahihirapan ka na i-let go itong person na to, ask help from others and listen to your intuition. They said that they would do anything for you. Pero kung hindi mo nakikita, my loves, yung action na yon, listen to your intuition. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, my loves, ang taong nakalaan para sa'yo, your soulmates, ay gagawin ang lahat para sa'yo. So, kung yung person na to kayang gawin lahat para sa'yo, maaaring siya talaga. Pero dito, my loves, spirits are telling you na kailangan nyo muna talaga ng space because of this soul card. Okay. So, messages. Final message from this person. Message from this person about this connection. New beginnings. I'm ready to start again. Okay. So, dito, my loves, ipinapakita talaga na kailangan nyo muna ng space. Pero dito, I hear na after ng breakup, kasi nga, di ba sabi ko may space dito, meron din non-action. So, obviously, it is evidently na meron talagang space na magaganap about this connection. But dito, sabihin natin merong new beginnings. And ito ay message from your person. I have realized what I was missing in my life. So, that is you. So, marirealize ng person na to na kailangan ka talaga niya, na part ka ng kanyang life. And nakalagay din dito yun sa mirroring and soulmates. This new love has given me a fresh perspective and changed who I am. So, kaya kinakailangan ng space dito ay para din sa inyong dalawa, para sa inyong growth. That's why there is no going back, only forward. Okay? They are, sabihin nating look, focus on the positive side kung ano may nangyayari sa inyo. When I met you, after that I never look back. I want to have a fresh start with you. So kung magkakahiwalay man kayo, my loves, nandun pa rin yung pagbabalikan. And kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, nandun pa rin yung pagbabalikan. If ever na may tanong ka, yes or no question, kasi may protection. Dalawa yung protection na lumitaw dito. Right now, maaaring kailangan muna ng space para ma-realize niya ang mga bagay-bagay. And, ayan, meron din talagang moving. Pwede ding moving abroad. I hear that. Moving in the foreign land. Andito talaga is space, my loves. Pwedeng sa future or paparating na. Andito pa rin ang paghihintay. But, things are coming into fruition. So, my loves, kung ikaw ay magtsatsaga na maghintay, you will going to harvest the good things in this connection. So, yes, my loves. So, dito may pagka-possessive ang energy. Kayong dalawa, I hear na kayong dalawa talaga sa isa't isa. Pero meron lang, may konting challenge lang din talaga, my loves. Pero eto you keep holding on possession in this connection, my loves. And nakatapat yun sa soulmate. So, maaaring you are, ang kahulugan nun ay you are meant for each other. Okay? And the last one is you deserve love. You are lovable. Don't forget that, my loves. You are lovable. And again, if iniisip mo na hindi mo deserve ang sabihin natin love, spirits are reminding you na you are lovable. You deserve love. If ever na hindi pa na kaya i-express ng person mo to sa'yo ngayon, right now, kung hindi ka pa niya na ipaglalaban, my loves, maaaring kaya kinakailangan na muna ninyong maghiwalay because of the protection from spirits and from other people through other people. So, dito, my loves, spirits are reminding you that you deserve love. Again, kung hindi ka nakaka-receive ng love from this person, maaaring kaya about to happen itong solve na to. Physical change or moving. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.